What's the matter?
My fire truck need new battery.
And what do you need to put new batteries in?
I need it charged.
You need it charged?
Yeah.
How do you get the batteries out?
A full wire.
A what?
A full wire.
What's a food driver?
No. A full wire turn.
It turns?
Yeah. See? Turn.
Oh, a screwdriver.
Yeah.
So you need a screwdriver to turn to
Yeah.
put new batteries in your fire truck?
Yeah.
Can you bring... What?
I can put fire out.
So you can put the fire out?
Yeah.
Can you bring the fire truck downstairs?
No, it's too heavy for me.
So who should bring it downstairs?
I want you to.
What if it's too heavy for me?
Not. It's for. See?
Really?
Really.
Oh. Well,
It's not too heavy for you.
oh, because I'm strong?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, I love you.
How are you?
Bye.
Bye.